Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ifactner's Learn Urdu through English video tutorial series. And in today's video tutorial, we are going to talk about past simple tense in Urdu. How do we make past simple tense? And how can we identify past simple tense in Urdu? Past simple tense is called fail mazi. Mazi is past. We will be making simple sentences, negative sentences, and interrogative sentences using the past simple tense, and we will be using different pronouns and discussing about how do we make past simple tense. So it's really easy uh, for past simple tense. For example, if I want to say I worked, work is a verb which means काम करना. Now I want to say I worked. In Urdu I will write मैंने काम किया. Or walk. Walk means chalna, means to walk or to stroll. Chalna. I walked. In English we say I walked. In Urdu we have got now two versions. For male we write मैं चला, and for female we write मैं चली. So if you have noticed that usually what we do is we omit O, N. For example, from chalna we omit this thing, and after chal for male we say la, for female li, for more than one person le, la, li, le. So if usually at the end of the verb is written like this, la, le, li, then we can say that we are talking in past simple tense. Now we will make different sentences using different pronouns in simple form. Sing is to Gana. Sing means Gana. And in English we write I sang. In Urdu we say मैंने गाना, or Gana is to sing a song. So we don't write Gana, मैंने गाया. So instead of Gana we say Gaya. मैंने गाया, I sang. And this is the kind of the verb in which we write the same thing for male and female. We will talk about these verbs and the other verbs in which we use li for female in another tutorial. But right now we will just take the examples. I sing, मैंने गाया. I sang, you sang. Now for you we use two different versions. For a younger person we say तुमने गाया, in the past. तुमने गाया. Or out of respect we can say आपने gaya. Gaya. And aapne gaya is also used for plural. If we want to talk to a group of people, you people sang, then we can say aapne gaya. He sang. So this is an easier version. Therefore, we just write usne gaya. Or for respect, we can say un ne gaya. He sang, and for she sang, we use usne gaya. And for respect, unne gaya and unne gaya is also used for they sang. Now, we sang. हमने गाया. It was an easier verb. Now let's take another example of chala, to walk, and we will let's say we will be making the negative sentences. To walk. Walk or to walk means chalna. In Urdu, chalna. Now we want to make the negative sentences. I didn't. In English, we write I didn't walk. I did not walk. In Urdu, for male, we say मैं नहीं चला. This is the male version, and for female, we write मैं नहीं चली. You didn't walk. You didn't walk. So if we are talking to a colleague or to a younger person and he's a male, then we say तुम नहीं चले. Out of respect, we say आप नहीं चले. This is the male version, and female version is तुम नहीं चली to a younger person, and out of respect आप नहीं चली. So it is pronounced as chali, noon na. In the end, we have got noon na. आप नहीं चली. And these second versions are also used for you people. If we are talking to a group of people who are male or mixed group, then we say you आप नहीं चले. And for female, we say आप नहीं चली. He didn't walk. There are two versions. वो नहीं चला. If we are talking about a third person, but if we want to show some respect, then we say वो नहीं चले. Similarly, she didn't walk. वो नहीं चली, and to show respect, वो नहीं चली. I would like to tell you one thing, that वो नहीं चले and वो नहीं चली are also used for they. They didn't walk. So if we want to say that we are talking about a group of people who are all male, then we say वो नहीं चले. Or if that is a mixed group, then we say वो नहीं चले. But that group is only a female group, then we say वो नहीं चली. And it didn't walk, so we just use वो नहीं चला for male and वो नहीं चली for female, just like he and she. Now we have talked about I, you people, he, she, it, they, and we didn't walk. We didn't walk. If we want to say like this, then we say हम नहीं चले. Now let's take the interrogative sentences, and let's take a verb soya, sleep. To sleep or sleep means sona. I didn't sleep. Did I sleep? Now we want to ask the questions. Did I sleep? If I'm a male, then I will say क्या. क्या is used to ask a question. क्या मैं सोया? And for female, notice it that we write क्या मैं सोई. And for सोई, I use hamza. क्या मैं सोई? Did I sleep? Did you sleep? And let's suppose we want to ask, did you sleep well? So did you sleep? Did you sleep? क्या तुम सोए? If we are asking from a younger person or in an informal environment, we say क्या तुम सोए? And please note the soy spelling. We use hamza. And out of respect, if we want to talk to an elder person, then we ask क्या आप सोए? Female version is informal. क्या तुम सोई? And out of respect, क्या आप सोई? सोई. Nuna at the end. And क्या आप सोए and क्या आप सोई are also used for asking the question from the group of people. Did you people sleep? And if we want to ask from male group or a mixed group, then we ask क्या आप सोए? But if we want to ask from a female group, then we ask क्या आप सोई? Did he sleep? Now there are two versions. Common version and informal version is क्या वो सोया? But if we are talking about a king or our teacher or boss, then we have to show some respect and we say क्या वो सोए. Similarly, for female, did she sleep? क्या वो सोई? Or to show some respect, we ask क्या वो सोई? Now, क्या वो सोए and क्या वो सोई are also used to ask a question, did they sleep? As we have already discussed that if we want to talk about a male or a mixed group, then we use this version, kya wo soye. But if we are talking about the female version, then we say kya wo soing. Similarly, did it sleep? If we are talking about an animal, for example a dog, then we say kya wo soya for male and kya wo सोई for female. And क्या हम सोए? Did we sleep? क्या हम सोए? If we are a group of a male or a mixed group. But if we are just females, then we say क्या हम सोई. Nuna at the end. Female group. So ladies and gentlemen, this was our tutorial about how to use past simple tense in Urdu. If you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comments section below. Please like and share this video, and if you are new, then please subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Until then, take care. Keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.